Hello everyone, welcome to another vlog. And I actually was just posting on Instagram a question, and maybe someone here can help me with this. But why is it that people will tell you how many months your baby is instead of saying like, my baby's a year and a half, or my baby's a year old, or my baby's 2 years old? Like, is that something that I'm missing? I never understood when I was like, I never had a baby, so I was just like a single girl out in the town, and I would say like, oh, your baby's so cute. How old's your baby? 24 months. And it's like, why? Can't you just say your baby's age in a normal way? Like, why does it have to be in months? Like, is there something important about it? I just don't get it, so I don't know if I'm wrong. Maybe, I'm pretty sure I am, because a lot of people say that, so I'm probably just missing the point. But anyways, we are in the mountains, and as you can see, it's very mountainy back there. And David is outside right now doing, honestly, God knows what. I have no idea. And I'm over here ordering some stuff for Adam. His pediatrician wants him to start eating foods already. So the first step that she explained to us is that she wants him to start learning how to drink water from his sippy cup. So I'm trying to buy a high chair right now on Amazon, trying to see like which one I like the best and what like different features they have. There's just a lot of different types of high chairs. So if you guys have any recommendations for high chairs, please let me know. But these are the ones that I'm looking at right now. So I'm looking at the Four Moms high chair, the Ingenuity high chair, and I think that's it, because I like the fact that they're both cleaned. They both get cleaned very easy. So they're both like wipeable, and also that the trays are easily to put on and off. But I have more reservations about the Ingenuity, because I like that the Four Moms is magnetic. So the tray is magnetic. It says here, it's a magnetic tray. So you can just use it with one hand, and it's probably way easier. But what I like about the Ingenuity one is that it can convert to like a little booster seat. So like you can use it different ways. So as you can see, you can use it here. Like on top of a chair and tie it up, or on the high chair, and then when they're a little older. So I don't know yet, but if you guys have an idea, or you guys have a better recommendation, please let me know, because I don't know what to do right now. Papas, are you awake? Papas. He was looking. Well, hello. Were you awake? Why didn't you say anything? Huh? Oh my. Oh. He just tooted. Did you just fart? Did you just fart? Silly. Okay, so we had some food left. This is like guac, and this is like chicken and fajitas and like corn, because I mixed it up in there. But this is from David's party, so I'm just gonna make it with some egg whites and some paste sauce to make like some huevos rancheros or something, or I guess my version of it, because I've You're eating cereal too? Hi. Sorry. And then here, how long do I give it? On the bottom?
Yeah. I think I ordered
Okay. So we're having a lazy Sunday today, and I think that we definitely need to shop for some gifts that we're missing for other people. So okay, so that took way longer than what I thought. We were having some baby feeding interruptions, naps, etc. I just had some yogurt. But I'm gonna show you guys some last minute gifts that I just put together that are going to be delivered the next day. So Amazon is so helpful. And what I'm going to do is that I'm gonna put like my dad's address and my cousin's address and all of that, so they can get the gifts directly right on time and I don't have to go ahead and ship them myself. So this is what I have. So this is what I got for a couple people in my life, and I'm not gonna say for who because I don't want them to see this video and not know who I got it for. But these are some last minute gifts that I got, and they all had really good reviews. It took me a while to pin down like what I wanted to get, but I got the wireless charger for like your AirPods, Apple Watch, and also his phone. I got a little indoor grill for one of my family members that lives in New York. Also a really cute bracelet from Kendra Scott. These slippers are like a major like trend right now, and they're super comfy, so I got her one of these, and I got one of the little girls like a little pop-up castle that she can have in her room. And I got someone else this like grow and make deluxe DIY hot sauce making kit. So I'm just hoping that they have a little fun with it and try something different instead of just buying hot sauce. Now I'll show you guys in another clip what I already got for Adam, but these are some last minute gifts that I think are super cute, super cool, or it can just complement a gift that you're already giving someone. Guys, look at my best friend. Look at my best friend. Hello, hello. And we got this little tub here for Big Bear, so we can have it here and not have to be bringing the other one up and down. And I'm gonna give him a bath tonight in it. So as you guys can see, I am like still in pajamas. It is 4 o'clock. Guys, I'm serious. Still in pajamas, still with my slippers on. It's 4 o'clock. I just finished ordering all the last minute gifts that I had that I just showed you guys, and yeah, I'm gonna get ready. We're gonna go to dinner and explore the town. We come here a lot, but it's like very crowded right now. Like everyone is up here because it's like a very cool place to come for like a little break from the OC, and it snows, so it's like the closest snow mountain place that people can go from Orange County. So yeah, we're gonna get ready and we're gonna go have dinner, walk around the village a little bit. It's very, very cold, so we're gonna have to be layered up, but we're gonna have fun and we're gonna take some pictures and some videos. It's gonna be fun. But yeah, if you guys have any places that you guys like to go to during the holidays and feel that like little holiday cheer and holiday season in your heart, and it kind of like makes you feel like you're in Santa's village, please comment it below. I would love to know, and also we would love to explore new places. But yeah, I'll see you guys in a minute. Hey, we're all ready to go have dinner. David went to make the reservation and save our spot in line because it's like an hour and a half wait, but we're like very, very close to the restaurant. But let me show you guys the stuff that I got for Adam, and it's some last minute items too, because he's so little and he doesn't like necessarily appreciate gifts or anything, and he's gonna start eating like soft foods. I decided that, you know, as a gift we could do like things that he actually needs. So this is what I have. Okay, so I have the high chair from Four Moms, and I have the feeding plate from Easy Peasy. It's like the mini mat, and I like it that it's like divided in different sections, so when he starts trying different foods. And then I also got this, I ordered these, and this is really cool. Like he can just eat that. Let me show you. So you could put like pieces of fruit in here, and it comes with these little like silicone feeders, and he can just chew on it to learn how to eat like fruits. Really cool. So I also got this formula feeder because we are gonna start formula feeding pretty soon. So yeah, that was the quick, super quick gift guide, guys. I think that Amazon is like a lifesaver. This is not sponsored or anything. I am totally doing this last minute for real. Like I for real left some gifts for last minute, and it's because they were a little bit harder and I didn't know what to get those people, so I had to do like a lot of research and look around a lot. It took me basically all morning today to decide what I was going to give a couple of people in my list, and also Adam's items. I kind of felt like he doesn't know what a gift is or what it looks like. He doesn't know the whole situation. So because he's so young, I decided to just order his stuff that we need right now, and those would be his gifts, because I think it is really exciting that he's going to start trying food. And yeah, that was my last minute super quick gift guide for Christmas gifts, and they will all be arriving either tomorrow or Tuesday, hopefully Tuesday morning, so I can wrap them. And we'll be heading down the mountain on Tuesday morning, so when I get home I'll have all those packages there, and I'll just go ahead and wrap them and put them under the tree really quickly so it can be ready for Christmas Eve and for the night of, and also for the next day, because we do have family coming over to open some gifts. So that was all for today, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I am going to be vlogging tonight's night, most likely. I'll see how the lighting is at the restaurant, but kind of just showing you guys around the village in Big Bear. And yeah, see you guys tomorrow. Bye.